This is one way how I'm saving money in 2025. Today is the day I decide to open different accounts. Sharing with you what I'm doing to maximize my money, my earnings in 2025. I wish I have done this 5 years ago when I started my degree, but I didn't, and I didn't know anything about investing and finances. I am just learning, and that is why I'm sharing with you which account is better for your money, okay? And for years, I didn't understand this, but now I was able to do some research and get the understanding. This is where I was saving my money in all the time. Every time I get paid, it will go into here. If you're anything like me and you have a regular savings account, we're going to change that today so that you can maximize your money. I'm just going to be giving you a brief in this video so you can better understand the difference between a regular savings account and a high savings account. The difference between a regular savings account and a high savings account, the interest rate. We're looking at the interest rate. So like your regular bank account, like let's just say Chase or Fargo, whoever you're banking with, most of the time they give you a 1%, yes, 1% interest rate on your money. So let's just say we have 5,000 in our savings account. Regular savings, 5,000. After doing all the math, you are making 4 cents per month if you have your money in a regular savings account. Now, if you switch over to a high-yield savings account with the same amount of money, let me show you the difference. 5,000, they do have different high-yield savings account. I'm going to talk about two that I research and I recommend that you can use, right? Right now, every year it's different with the percentage. Let's just say you are getting 4.5% interest, okay? All right, when you do the maths, it's going to be 5,000 times 4.5, and then that's going to equate to $225. Now you want to divide that by 12. So when you divide it by 12, you are getting $18 each month compared to a regular savings account. So if you have 5,000 in the bank account, in your regular bank account, you are getting 4 cents every month. If you put your money into a high savings account, you can get $18. So you see the difference with the regular savings account and the high savings account. And what the good thing about the high savings account, it compounds every month. That is the difference between a regular bank account and a high savings account. Okay, probably heard the term high savings account, you just never look into it. I'm just here share the information with you so you can make the best decision for your money. I have been with this bank for probably 4 years now. It's called Ally Bank. It's online. I bought my first stock from this bank, not knowing they had a high savings account. I just didn't know at the time. My money would have compounded a lot. But we live and we learn and we know better, so we do better. So if you're watching this video, now you know better, so please do better. Don't wait. It's called Ally. And what I love about this account, let me come up closer so I can share with you what I love about this account. No, this is not sponsored or anything. I've been using them and I'm just sharing with you. Right now, they're at a 3.7 interest rate. No, it's still better than your regular bank account. Let's say you put 5,000 in this bank account. You can divide this 5,000 into different categories, or they call it buckets. So let's just say travel, pets, food. You can divide that 5,000 into these different pockets and less, okay? And even though it divided into this pocket, in your entire account, there's still 5,000. So it's going to be compounding with your 5,000 in it, okay? So I love this because of the buckets it have on it. Of course, there's a ton of other things you can learn about it, but Ally is one of them that I absolutely love, and I will link them down below so you don't have to go and try to search for them. I will just have it linked down below. The next one is Sophie. Listen, I've done the research and my husband actually loves Sophie. So even though it's online, they have 24 hours customer service. If I have any problem, and I had to call them just yesterday, and I was able to be helped by someone within minutes. Within seconds, they answer the phone. Was able to fix the problem. So I have no problem with them. Those are the two I recommend, and they insured. So that's one thing you want to make sure when you're looking for a high savings account. You want to make sure they're insured. Okay, so whichever one you decide to go with, please make smart decisions in 2025. Do not allow your money to just sit and receive probably like 5 cents or 10 cents or maybe even $1 every month, when you can be receiving anywhere between $20, $25, even $30, even $40, depending on how much money you have in savings. Like I said, I use Ally, my husband use Sophie. I will have both of them linked down below. Both of them is insured. So you can switch from a regular bank account to a high save account to maximize your money in 2025. On that note, I will see you in my next video.